So where is the opportunity in Bitcoin? Well, the opportunities are endless, right? Number one, the easiest way is to just buy the crypto and hold it for a period of time. And you hope that it goes up in value. Like I said, from the beginning, Bitcoin has continuously been going up, right? And we're still at the beginning of this cryptocurrency revolution. It hasn't even reached its peak. So even though you feel like it's too late, no, it's not. So the easiest way is just accumulate as much crypto as you can, right? If you want to really get into how can you accumulate, I have a course called the Crypto Investment Course or the Trading Course. You can take either one of those, whatever you prefer. I go in depth showing you how you can really accumulate coins. I give accumulation strategies. Number two is working for blockchain companies, right? You don't have to be an expert in blockchain for you to work to receive payment in Bitcoin. No, you can just take, if you're a graphic designer, you are an economist, you're a physicist, accountant, whatever. All those skills, you can take them to blockchain companies, and you can get paid in Bitcoin. I have several links in the course material that you can look at to see where you can find jobs that pay you in Bitcoin. Another thing that is all that information, by the way, is in the investment course, not on this one. So if you want to get to know all those secrets, you can get into the crypto investment course. Another way to do it is through mining. You can mine Bitcoins if you have the money and the time and capacity to mine for yourself. So those are the opportunities. Another opportunity is starting a business, right? You can start a business that caters to the blockchain community or that accepts Bitcoin, which would expose you to a whole lot of people that are into the cryptocurrency market. They can help you to make money. Or you can start an NGO, if you know a non-government, non-profit. You can start a non-profit organization that solves a certain problem, and you can raise money through Bitcoin, right? And you can reach out to Bitcoin, to blockchain or Bitcoin or cryptocurrency companies, which they would support you with Bitcoin. So that is how, that's where the opportunities are. And there's less people in the cryptocurrency community. It needs a lot more people who will come with new flavors and new ideas. So that is where you can take your ideas or your business or your career and earn Bitcoins.